Welcome to HVAC official channel. Avoid these 7 common AC installation mistakes this summer season 2026. In today's video, we are going to talk about a very important topic, the most common mistakes people make during AC installation and how you can avoid them. If your AC is not cooling properly, giving high electricity bills, or facing frequent problems, the reason is often poor installation. So, let's understand the 7 most common AC installation mistakes in a simple and practical way. 1. Choosing the wrong size AC unit. One of the biggest mistakes is selecting the wrong size AC. Many people think a bigger AC will give better cooling, but that is not true. An oversized AC cools the room too quickly and turns off before removing humidity. This causes a damp and uncomfortable feeling, and also puts stress on the compressor. On the other hand, an undersized AC keeps running continuously but still cannot cool properly. This increases electricity bills and damages the system over time. The correct solution is to choose the right size based on room size, insulation, and heat load. Professionals use proper load calculations to select the correct unit. 2. Improper outdoor unit placement. The outdoor unit plays a very important role in releasing heat. If it is placed in direct sunlight, the AC has to work harder, which reduces efficiency. Also, if the unit is placed in a tight space or surrounded by walls or bushes, airflow gets blocked, and the system may overheat. The outdoor unit should be placed in a shaded, open area with proper clearance on all sides. It should also be installed on a raised and level surface to avoid water damage. 3. Ignoring ductwork inspection and sealing. If your system uses ducts, then this step is very important. Leaky ducts can waste a lot of cooling. Cool air escapes before reaching the room, and warm air enters the system. This not only reduces cooling, but also increases electricity bills. Leaky ducts can also bring dust, allergens, and mold into your home, affecting air quality. Proper duct sealing and inspection can greatly improve performance and comfort. 4. Poor thermostat placement and wiring. The thermostat is the brain of the AC system. If it is placed in the wrong location, it gives incorrect temperature readings. For example, placing it near sunlight, doors, windows, or heat-producing appliances can confuse the system. This can cause the AC to turn on and off at the wrong time. The thermostat should be installed in a central location where it can measure the average room temperature correctly. Proper wiring is also important to avoid communication errors. 5. Improper refrigerant charging. Refrigerant, also called AC gas, is essential for cooling. If the gas level is too low, the AC will not cool properly. If the gas is too high, it can damage the compressor, which is very expensive to repair. Correct refrigerant charging requires proper tools and knowledge. Professionals check pressure, superheat, and subcooling to ensure the system is perfectly balanced. 6. Neglecting the drainage system. During cooling, the AC removes moisture from the air. This water needs to be drained properly. If the drain line is blocked or not installed correctly, water can leak into your home and cause damage to walls or ceilings. A proper installation includes correct pipe slope and sometimes a safety device like a float switch to prevent overflow. 7. Skipping final system testing. The last and very important step is system testing. Some installers just turn on the AC and leave, which is a big mistake. A proper installation should include checking airflow, verifying refrigerant pressure, listening for unusual noise, and making sure the thermostat is working correctly. This ensures the system runs smoothly and avoids future problems. Conclusion. So these were the 7 most common AC installation mistakes you must avoid. Remember, even the best AC will not perform well if it is installed incorrectly. Always focus on proper installation, correct sizing, and professional setup to get the best performance and long life from your AC.